King George Street in West Greenwich, one of our favourite houses of all time. Georgian, you will not believe what lies inside. Follow me. There's a self-contained sheet just behind you, and this beautiful covered patio leading through to this. I'm not sure what my favourite bit of the house is. It might be this, it might be the sheet, it might be upstairs. But this kitchen breakfast room is certainly high on the list of contenders. Solid oak parquet flooring, double aspect, double glazed windows. Copper work surfaces, just the most incredible space. I love this. There's a log burner over in the corner, a breakfast bar just here. There's a basement, but you wait till you see upstairs. There you go. You see my confusion. This is very nice. Again, underfloor heating on every floor, apart from this one, which has got beautiful school radiators, double aspect windows, fabulous fireplaces, beautiful built-in cabinetry. What a room. But the bedroom's great as well. Very nice WC. And the stunning wallpaper is a theme throughout the house. Beautiful wall panelling throughout. Look at this room. There's a dressing area just behind you. Double aspect windows, high beamed vaulted ceiling. A lovely ensuite. And just check out these views. These floors have been dug out even more to give fabulous ceiling heights. This is a really cosy bedroom. There's a shower room behind you with micro cement flooring. Utility room. And the icing on the cake, the gîte. Follow me. This used to be a stables. It's got planning permission as a separate dwelling. So you can rent this out as an Airbnb. It gets £3.5 grand a month on average, sometimes as high as 5,000 a month. There are 5.5 metre high ceilings and this beautiful galleried bedroom area. It is amazing. The location is incredible as well. Greenwich Park, the oldest roll park in the country, is on your doorstep. Greenwich Town Centre is just round the corner, including the station. You've got the river bus service to whisk you through London and the foot tunnels to take you to Canary Wharf if you fancy jogging or riding a bike to work. And just look at this garden. AstroTurf water feature, bench area, and bicycle shed which can be accessed from the outside. Just so nice. This house is available now through my Greenwich office. I hope you agree with me. It is absolutely stunning, completely unique. And if you like this, make sure you follow me across all my social media platforms at Mark Alex.